How to change Wix from email notifications. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Wix from email notification. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to go to your website editor and then go to your form. This is my form. I'm gonna right click here and then select layer and then choose forms. After that, you can just click settings and the pop-up window will appear here. Now you can navigate to manage and then click manage forms, click on it, and then you will be redirected to your dashboard. And this is the forms and submission you have. So basically, I have 4 forms. So I'm gonna maybe edit this one, just for example. Can click edit here. And then in this page, as you can see, there are a lot of options here, but we're not gonna touch it. We're gonna go to settings here. And then in the setting, as you can see, you can change the form name if you want. And then for the required field style if you want. And then this is the preview, you can see it. And also the confirmation message. You can choose the when a form is submitted can choose it and then you can add the confirmation message and this is the preview, but we're gonna go to notification and submission automation here. Can click edit here and then it will bring you to the automation page as you can see. So basically after the form submitted and then you will send an email. Actually you can add a more step here if you want, but we're gonna go to send an email here. You can click on it. And then as you can see, this is what we are looking for. So basically you can change the sender name, you can click edit and then change the sender name, then the email if you want. And also you can send the email subject. So there will fill the form name and then the message and you can modify it by click edit here. And then also you can add details here. Then yeah, you can change template if you want. Basically a lot of option here. You can also add the email attachment. So yeah, you can explore more here. And then after that, you can just click publish change here. So I think that's it. How to change Wix from email notification. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.